Good morning, my students. How are you? I am your English guide. My name is Gurmeet Singh, and today we are going to learn about pronoun. Okay, first of all, here we write English grammar class, and today our topic is pronoun. So first of all, whenever we are going to learn about any kind of topic, but we need to understand the basic or the definition of the word or definition of the topic. So first of all, we will start our topic with the first question. What pronoun is? Clear? So answer is pronoun is the word that replace noun in a sentence. So in a very simple language, pronoun is the word that replace noun in a sentence. That what we call? We call it pronoun. Clear? Okay, now I will give you one example. For example, Ram is a good student. Ram is a very good singer. Ram is a very fine player too. So if we read these three lines, one word is repeated again and again, that is noun Ram. Ram is a good student. Ram is a very good singer. Ram is a very fine player too. So these are the words we have repeated again and again. So to replace this repetition, we can use one word he, and here also he. So this is pronoun, and pronoun replaced the noun in a sentence or in a passage. So this is a simple description of the pronoun, that what pronoun is. Clear? Okay, now the next thing that is we need to understand, that is related to subjective pronoun, objective pronoun. Clear? For example, first of all, we need to understand basic English sentence structure, that how we can form an English sentence. For that, three things are very important. First of all, we need to use subject, then we need to use verb, and then we need to use an object. Clear? Subject, verb, object. Okay, now I will give you one example. He pushed her. Okay, now grammatically this sentence is correct and I use past indefinite tense. He pushed her. Clear? Okay, so here we cannot write him pushed she. We cannot write this because this is our objective pronoun. objective pronoun, and this is our subjective pronoun. So at the place of an object we use objective pronoun, and at the place of subject we always use subjective pronoun. So this is the simplest description. Okay, now the words like I, we, he, she, it, you, they, these are the words come under the category of subject. In a second opinion, we can use these words at the place of here. I pushed her, we pushed her, he pushed her, she pushed her, it pushed her. Then the sentence structure is right. At the place of here, I changes into me, we changes into us, he changes into him, she changes into her, it cannot be changed, and you remains you, and they change into them. So this is the basic structure we need to understand. So this is all for today's video, and in the next video we are going to talk about the basic kinds and types of the pronoun. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.